Hello everyone and welcome back to our 30-day journey of learning English and the Bible. I'm so glad you're joining me and my kids today for day 10. Can you believe we're already a third of the way through our course? You're all doing such a fantastic job. Today is going to be a really fun day because we're talking about something I think everyone loves: animals. We're going to learn the English words for some common animals. And then we're going to read one of the most famous animal stories from the Bible. Are you ready? Let's get started. First up, let's learn some new words. Our first animal is man's best friend. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's a dog. Let's say it together. Doog. Dogs are wonderful pets. They love to play fetch, go for walks, and give lots of cuddles. Many people have a dog as part of their family. Can you say, "I see a dog"? Great job. Now, what sound does a dog make? Woof woof. Or sometimes arf. Arf. That's how a dog barks. You might have a big dog or a small dog. They come in all shapes and sizes. Let's practice one more time. Dog. Excellent. Okay, our next animal is also a very popular pet. This animal is known for being independent and for purring when it's happy. It's a cat. Siati cat. Let's all say it. Cat. Cats are very graceful animals. They love to nap in sunny spots and chase after toys. What sound does a cat make? Meow. That's right. A baby cat is called a kitten. Kittens are so cute and playful. Can you say, "The cat is sleeping"? Perfect. So we have a dog that barks and a cat that meows. You're learning so fast. Let's move on to an animal that can fly. This animal has feathers and wings. It's a bird. By art. Bird. Let's say that together. Bird. Birds live in nests, often high up in trees. They can be many different beautiful colors. Some birds, like parrots, can even learn to talk. What sound do most birds make? Tweet, tweet. Chirp, chirp. It's such a lovely sound to hear in the morning. Can you say, "The bird is flying in the sky"? Wonderful. So we have a dog, a cat, and a bird. Our last animal for today lives in the water. It has gills to breathe and fins to swim. Do you know what it is? It's a fish. F-E-S fish. Let's all say fish. Fish can live in rivers, lakes, or the big ocean. Some people keep fish as pets in a tank called an aquarium. They are very peaceful to watch. Fish don't make sounds like our other animals, but they swim so gracefully. Can you say, "The fish is swimming"? Fantastic. Let's review our 4 animals one last time: dog, cat, bird, and fish. You guys are animal experts now. Now that we've learned about some amazing animals, let's turn to our Bible story for today. It's a very famous story that has a lot of animals in it. We're going to read about Noah's Ark from the book of Genesis, chapter 6. A long time ago, the world became a place where people were not being kind to each other and were not listening to God. It made God very sad to see this. But there was one man who was good and who loved God. His name was Noah. Noah was a righteous man who walked faithfully with God. God decided to wash the world clean with a great flood, a huge amount of water that would cover everything. But because Noah was a good man, God wanted to save him and his family. God spoke to Noah and gave him a very special job. God said, "Noah, I want you to build a giant boat, a huge ark." God gave Noah the exact instructions on how to build it, how long, how wide, and how tall it should be. It was going to be the biggest boat anyone had ever seen. Noah listened to God and started to build the ark just as God commanded. He and his 3 sons, Shem, Ham, and Japheth, worked very hard for many, many years. People probably watched them and wondered what they were doing, building a giant boat on dry land. But Noah had faith in God. He knew God had a plan. Then God told Noah something else. God said, "I want you to bring your family into the ark, your wife, your sons, and their wives. And you are to bring 2 of every kind of animal into the ark with you, a male and a female, to keep them alive." Can you imagine 2 of every kind of animal? So, the animals started to come. 2 by 2, they walked towards the ark. There were big elephants and tall giraffes. There were strong lions and fast cheetahs. There were birds of every color flying in. And yes, I'm sure there were dogs, cats, and probably even a place for fish to be safe. All the animals in the world, 2 by 2, went into the ark with Noah. God was saving the animals too. Once Noah, his family, and all the animals were safely inside the ark, God shut the door. Then the rain began to fall. It rained and rained for 40 days and 40 nights. The water rose higher and higher until it covered the entire earth, even the tallest mountains. But inside the ark, Noah, his family, and all the animals were safe and dry, floating on top of the water. What a great story! It shows us that God cares for people who are good, and that He also cares for all the animals He created. Noah listened to God and was saved, and he helped save all the animals too. He took dogs, cats, birds, and every other kind of animal onto his big boat. That's all the time we have for day 10. You did an amazing job today learning your new animal, words, and listening to the story of Noah's Ark. Remember our new words: dog, cat, bird, and fish. And remember the story of Noah, who had great faith in God. Thank you so much for learning with us today. It's so much fun to share this time with you. I can't wait to see you tomorrow for day 11 of our 30-day course. We'll have more English words and another wonderful Bible story to explore together. Don't forget to practice your new words. Bye for now, and see you next time.